Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is very interesting because it has different positions of these flanges. This is the drawing. We start by creating this contour with dimensions of diameter of 165, radius 11, and this angle of 45 at a distance half of 172. The thickness is 10. Let's get started. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and a circle with the diameter of 165. Then we draw a line with a length of 172 divided by 2, tab 45 degrees. Let me move this dimension to have space here. Then we draw a circle with a radius of 11. Radius 11. We draw a line starting from this, press the left button to have a tangent. Once again, press the left button, and now you can draw a line. We look for the tangency. Then we can trim this, and this. We make this as construction. Then we apply circular pattern of what? Of these 2, 3 entities. What is the axis? The axis is a point in a sketch. How many occurrences? 4 occurrences. Okay. Finish sketch. Extrude the center and that are the corners. The thickness is 10 by default. Okay. We continue with the other feature, this one. It is with the same contour but rotated with 45 degrees. You see? The distance between the two is 46. The thickness is also 10. Let's do this. We create a new plane based on XY plane at a distance of 46. Then we copy this sketch. Copy. We make this a new sketch and we paste that former sketch somewhere in the space. We use the tool rotate, my friends, by selecting everything here and using the center point to be this. Are you ready to accept removing constraints? Yes, I do. Very interesting. And now we place the angle of 45. Done. Coincident of this point with this point. Finish sketch. Hide the plane and extrude the circle and all these 4 corners. Then is by default. Okay. We have a gap here, but we didn't finish the model. We continue with this cylinder, diameter of 144 between the 2 features. New sketch, F7, circle, diameter of 144, diameter this time 144, finish sketch, extrude to what? To a plane or to the part? See, to the part. First face encountered by this extrusion is accepted. Next is the extrusion of 140 on this face, 2 millimeters thickness, and next is this internal hole, a big hole of 132. New sketch, circle, diameter of 140, finish sketch, extrude 2 millimeters. Okay, then a hole, a big hole on this face with this center and the diameter of 132 through all the part. Okay, next is this wall with a thickness of 6 at a distance of 31 from the base. New plane based on XY plane at a distance of 31. New sketch, F7, project this circle and apply an extrude of 6. You see, from this plane to the left. Take a look. Okay. Hide the plane. Another feature is this. Diameter of 60 and circles of 10 on this circle. How many? 3. Equidistant. The hole is 10 in each point. The thickness is 16. This face for a new sketch, circle, diameter of 60. We place another circle here with a radius of 10. the placement is on the same vertical with this center. We apply circular pattern of this circle about this axis, this point, with only 3 occurrences. Okay, finish sketch, extrude, circles here. Let me select both halves on 16. Okay. Next are this hole of 40 millimeters and 5 and 3 holes. Hole, face, center, diameter of 40.5 through the part. Okay. Then other hole, this face, this center, diameter of 10, through the part. Okay. Circular pattern of the last feature about this axis with 3 occurrences. Okay. Other holes are this and this. 4 times 10 in a feature, 4 times 10 in the other feature. Take care that undimensioned fillets are radius 3, and also that here is a chamfer 45 degrees. Hole, this face, this center, diameter of 10 through the part. Okay. Circular pattern of the last feature about this axis with 4 occurrences. Okay. Then another hole on this face with this center to this face, not through the part. Okay. Then a circular pattern of the last feature about this axis, also 4 occurrences. Okay. Let's apply fillets. This is 3 millimeters fillet. Also 3 millimeters are placed on these edges. Also here, also here, also inside. Plus, now we can apply here the same fillet. The chamfer is here, and it is by default 2 millimeters at 45 degrees. Okay. Now we finished the part and we try to see what is the volume. Update, copy, close, drawing, and the lottery. The value is, oh, very good, just the same. We cancel the last value because this is the same. The part is made of steel cast. The faces are also steel cast, and if you want to have a greater granulation here, you can use this tool, select the material and apply another value here, for instance 50 instead of 15. 50. When I apply OK, you'll see another granulation. You see? Very nice. Then we select faces, press the Shift button on the keyboard to apply still polished. Yes. We go to View, we select Shaded, Simple Shaded, and not default IBL but default lights. Now we can compare the two if we have the same presentation. You see, no difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.